Okay, now that I have recorded all of my slides that I want recorded, I'm just about ready to save it. Probably I'm going to have a quick preview, and it takes me to a page where I can see what I have done and what will show. And as you can see here, only the slides that have had the speaker notes are showing up. And that's what will be on this presentation. For editing purposes, I can add, if I feel the need to add some more slides or a media clip, I can do that. I can also, if I don't like a position of one slide, I can move it down and put it somewhere else and there's a bit of wiggle room for moving those around. I can switch out a slide, so I can either upload one from my computer or something that already exists on my Novio account. And then, of course, if I'm not feeling that a slide fits in this presentation, I can also have it deleted as well. So that's some of the editing features for the Novio presentation. And when I'm ready, I can press save, and it's going to let me continue if I want to continue editing. It'll allow me to post to Showcase. It'll allow me to share to a variety of places. I can copy, embed, take it to social networks, just download the video. And of course, I can go to Manage, which is where I will see it now in my published folder. And anytime that I want to go back and edit it, I can do that.